Welcome back.
Match number 14 between Mominpura Warriors and Gladiators.
It's a call from Ganj, and hence it is Ganj Gladiators have won the toss. Santosh, you have won the toss. What would you like to do?
I'd like to bat first.
Hello and good afternoon to all the viewers. This is the day 7 match number 14 in between Ganj Gladiators versus Mominpura Warriors. Start is the signal by the umpire. Sharan Patil is the ball, full toss and over the cover region into the boundary. What a start to the Ganj Gladiators. First ball in the boundary. This time through the onside. First time on the offside, now on the onside. Second boundary, 2 balls, 2 boundaries. Santosh Matti is scoring freely at the moment. This time goes again on the onside, misfield and into the boundary. Third boundary in this over. And Santosh Matti dealing in boundaries at the moment. Lovely shot through the onside again, in the air, 1 bounce into the fence, what a shot. 4th boundary to Santosh Matti. And this is aggressive batting. Go Bolden, what a ball, just what the commentator curse. He has got the ability of picking wickets in the up front and exactly the same thing happened. The ball didn't get up, it kept low. And the off stump has been uprooted. Goes high, goes handsome, over mid on, fielder's head. Ball running away to the boundary, will it go all the way? Yes, boundary signal by the umpire. Nice shot by Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. In the air, what a shot! What a shot! Has it went the distance? It does. Magnificent strike. Over extra cover. What a shot from Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. Edge and over the fielder's head and into the boundary. Man at short, third man slashes hard and into the boundary. In the air, totally miscued shot. Went miles up in the air. Pritham Vardhaman, who takes the catch. Wicket number 2nd. And this is a big body blow for the Ganj Gladiators. Oh, lovely ball. Missed by the wicket keeper, Veeresh Korali. Into the boundary. Buys. And the boundary signal by the umpire. This time he takes the aerial route. Has he gone the distance? Wait for the umpire signal. Clean blow from Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. And out of the stadium, another 6. Second 6 to the Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. And the 50 runs comes up for the Ganj Gladiators team in style. Pulls that one to the onside. Sharan Kumar Tangli, 1 bounce into the fence. What a shot this is. Chipped it in the air, straight back to the bowler. What a catch. Pritham Vardhaman, you beauty. What a catch. Cotton ball, good low catch. Easily steered that one to the deep third man area. Another easy single run added to the... In fact, boundary signal by the umpire. Go shot. Nice placement. In the air, over cover fielder said. There is a man at deep extra cover, no chance whatsoever. Another boundary. Boundary number 4 for the Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. Nicely played. That's it. 100 runs for the, in fact, half century for the Vijay Kumar Ankalkar, and the ball went to the boundary. Fifth boundary to his name. What a way to reach the half century. Want to sweep that one to the onside ball, running away towards the boundary. Will it go all the way? I think the ball went all the way to the boundary. White ball and the boundary. 5 handy runs added to the total. Way down the leg side. Missed by the both. Wicket keeper misses totally, and a white ball and a boundary. 5 handy runs. Really useful runs. Bonus runs for the batting team. What a ball. What a pitch of a delivery. Slower one. Change of pace. Yes, clean bowled. Walis Taban clean bowled by Anil Kumar Rathod. In the air again. Strike to the man at mid wicket. Pritham Vardhaman. He not misses so many. He has got the bucket hands. Well bowled. Given him out. Wicket number 6. What a start to the Asif Sikandar. Javed Pasha is the man. First ball and a duck. Goes high. And the ball running away to the boundary. Want to play that one to the onside, but ball hits the outside edge of the bat. Goes towards the deep backward point. Played for a boundary. Narasimha yet to open his account. This is the last ball. And they go through for the single. Finally, Narasimha off the mark with the single. They back for the second. So 2 runs comfortably added to the total. 2 runs to end the over. After 20 overs, 153 for the loss of 9 wickets. Ganj Gladiators team winning the toss, opted to bat first. They made 153 for the loss of 9 wickets. The target for the Mominpura Warriors, 154 runs in allotted 20 overs. Can they do it? We will be back. Goes high, over mid-on fielder's head. Clean shot from the batsman and into the boundary. Another boundary to the Mominpura Warriors batsman. And the total score which moves on to 43. 5 overs completed, 43 without any loss. Boundary to end the over. Last over in the power play, short of length ball. The batsman pulls it handsomely and into the deep third man area for another boundary. Down the track and stumped. What a breakthrough this is by Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. Asif Sikandar stumped by the wicket keeper in the bowling of Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. First wicket goes down for the Mominpura Warriors. 49 for 1. Got shot in the air. Fielder at long on. And he remained as a spectator. That went all the way for 6.
Premier League, Gulbarga ki shaan hai ye league.
Goes high, straight down the ground. Straight to the commentary box. 6 runs. Second 6 for Anil Kumar Rathod. A fumble from the fielder. That's a 50 for Anil Kumar Rathod. 50 runs comes up in style. Totally third half century, 3 half centuries today, and 1 century. Oh, goes back again. Jared Wilson is the man. Has it gone the distance? It does. What a shot. What a shot this is. What a deep mid wicket. Whenever they have got that out, it referred to the third umpire. Big shot goes. Jared Wilson is the man. Holds down at long on. "13 overs completed, 98 for 2. 56 runs in 42 balls. Lovely shot to the onside again. 1 bombs, 2 bombs, and into the boundary. Really good shot under pressure. 100 runs comes up for the Mominpura Warriors with that boundary. Lovely cut shot to the backward point area. Ball running away to the boundary.
Handy boundary by Anil Kumar Rathod. Good shot, straight to the ground. Man at long off, and he takes the catch. This is a big body blow. Mominpura Warriors have lost the prize wicket of Anil Kumar Rathod. Could this be the turning point of this match? Well played, pulls that one to the onside. There is a man at deep mid wicket. And the misfield into the boundary. This is really frustrating. Goes in the air, man at extra cover. Walid Chavan takes the catch. Another wicket goes. 8 balls, 15 runs. 12 runs, 6 balls. It's going to be Sidram Jamadar will bowl the final over of this match. Train missed, dot ball. Down the track, through the extra cover, there is a man at deep cover. Walid Chaban is the fielder, only 1 run, good fielding, nice fielding really by Walid Chaban. Only 1 run added to the total. Goes for the big wide ball. 10 runs. Goes big. It has gone right, not the distance. Vijay Kumar takes the catch. Wonderful breakthrough. This is a vital wicket. Goes for the glory. Didn't time the 12. Fielder, only 1 run added to the total. 9 runs, 2 balls. Again, well played too. There is a man. Walid Chaban is the fielder. Good fielding, sir. Only 1 run, 1 ball. Only 1 ball, 8 runs. That's it. It's all over. Ganj Gladiators win this match by 7 runs. Ganj Gladiators have won this match by 7 runs and a thriller.
KBN Premier League Season 3 is presented by KBN University and Megaspeed Broadband.
Powered by Mobile Hub and iBot.
In association with Shaheen Group of Institutions, Gulberg Travels, Al Noor Specialty Hospital, Sana Builders and Developers, Microtouch Infotech Private Limited, Birla Evans Concrete Cement, Orbis International School, Punjab Footwear Group, AN Banquets, and by Shebas Electricals. Our gold sponsors include Dr. Royals Ayurveda Hospitals, Bharat Honda, United Hospital, Shweta Dentistry, Prakash Asian Mall, Maharaja Sweets, and by Quality Steels.